Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Insta360 degree to your phone. So at first take a phone. So this method will work any Android and iOS, same process. So if you want to use iPhone, open your App Store, or if you want to use your Android phone, open your Play Store. Go to search option, search set to okay. At first need to install these apps. I'm already installed these apps. Okay, go back. At first connect your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, make sure to turn on. Okay, and power on your camera. Just power on. Open this. Just press on. Now successfully showing here your okay. Now successfully join this. Now showing it to join option. Press on to join, showing it your camera name. Okay, now successfully connect this. So look here. So look here, now successfully connect this, showing it to my video, this camera to iPhone. You just easily control from here. Okay, so I'm easily control this. So that's it.